Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting concrete identity details. This is essential. Once you have full name, USI, application number, date of birth, and passport number, prepare proof of identity, scans of passport pages, or signed consent if you are requesting for someone else. Next, choose your method: the addep online form for faster processing, or a mailed access to information package if you prefer paper. Include a clear request line stating you want Gcms notes, and describe the application type and approximate filing date. Now complete the request carefully, enter names exactly as on official documents, and copy your application numbers into the designated fields. Attach scanned ID and signed consent if you're not the principal applicant. Label files like passport scan or consent signed so reviewers know what each file is. If a processing fee applies, pay it and save the confirmation. This avoids delays. Before submitting, double-check contact details and include a short note asking for Gcms notes for the specified file, with dates or form numbers to narrow the search. After submission, monitor your request using the reference number and be ready for the standard response period. Processing can vary. Once you receive the Gcms notes, read them steadily. Focus on decision rationale, officer notes, and any listed evidence gaps. These explain the how and why behind outcomes. If the file lacks details or appears redacted where it shouldn't be, request a clarification or submit a follow-up addep citing specific pages and missing sections. As a troubleshooting tip, keep copies of all correspondence to escalate if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.